Hello, comic book guys and gals, and welcome to Comic Mag Musics. This handsome devil is your host, Bill Miller. Super excited because today is part 2 of our unboxing of some CGC graded comics that I purchased from an auction several months ago. I still haven't looked in the box, so there's still a mystery to me, and you will get to see the books first. So without further ado, let's get to showing and telling. All right, we're going to do 8 books today. And it'll be a 3-part series. We'll do 8. During the last video as well. So here we go. All right, super cool. We've got John Carter, Warlord of Mars, number 4. Marvel Comics, September of '77. Marv Wolfman story, Gil Kane and Ruby Nebris art, Gil Kane and Pablo Marcos cover. This is a 9.8 with off-white pages. And I collect John Carter, so this one will be staying with me. And on the back, we have an advertisement for the movie Orca. John Carter, number 4. All right, what's next? Another John Carter. We've got John Carter, Warlord of Mars, number 14. Marvel Comics, July of 1978. Marv Wolfman story, Carmine Infantino and Rudy Nebris art, George Perez and Rudy Nebris cover. This is a 9.8 with white pages. Just a beaut. And on the back, reminiscent of my playground days, when I was breaking ankles and dunking the ball like a donut in coffee. John Carter, number 14. All right. And next, we have, oh boy, Jonah. I certainly collect Jonah Hex, so I'll be keeping this one. This is Jonah Hex number 10, DC Comics, March of 1978. Michael Fleischer story, Jose Luis Garcia Lopez art, Gray Morrow cover. This is a 9.6 with off-white to white pages. Very excited to have this guy. On the back, we have some Boss 1970s monogram models. A couple sweet vans, a Jeep, and a pickup truck. So Jonah Hex, number 10. All right. Here we go. Oh boy, another Jonah. We've got Jonah Hex number 24. DC Comics, May of 1979. Michael Fleischer story, Luis Dominguez And this is a 9.6 with white pages. On the back, we can make money and get prizes by selling fast selling seeds. So Jonah Hex number 24. All right. Let's see. What's the next one? And bam. Oh boy. Yet another one that we collect. Super cool. This is Cole the Destroyer number 21. Marvel Comics, June of 1977. Don Glut story, Ernie Chan and Rick Hoberg art, Gil Kane cover. This is a CGC 9.6 with white pages. And on the back, we've got 3 different fishing outfits or reels with tackle boxes and bait and everything you need, I guess, to catch some fish. Cole number 21. All right, next we have another Cole. This is Cole the Destroyer, number 28, Marvel Comics, August of 1978. Don Glut story, Ernie Chan cover and art, and this is a 9.6 with white pages. Now on the back, we have that same Spalding Street Ball advertisement by Jack Davis. So Cole number 28. 2 more. All right, which one do we have here? This is Cole the Destroyer number 29, Marvel Comics, October of 1978. The last issue. Don Glut story, Ernie Chan and Rick Viamonte art, Ernie Chan cover. This is a 9.4 with white pages. On the back, we have testers, gliders. So Cole number 29. We'll do one more. Let's see what we've got. Oh boy. We're excited about this one. This is Marvel feature number 7. Marvel Comics, November of 1976. Red Sonja battles Conan, last issue. Roy Thomas story, Frank Thorne, cover and art. This is a CGC 9.6 with white pages. And on the back, he keeps asking. So Marvel feature number 7. And that will do it for the graded books that we have for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing them. And if you did, I would encourage you to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you get alerted as soon as I release new videos. Thumbs up and comments are always appreciated. And remember, we're taking over the world one comic book at a time.